Okay, hi everyone, welcome back again to me, and in this video I would like to read some article again. And before I start, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. So in this article the title is European Stocks Futures Edge Higher, EU Energy Summit in Focus by Peter Newers, investing.com. European stock markets are expected to open with modest gains Friday, tracking an extended recovery on Wall Street ahead of a key EU meeting to discuss plans to tackle the region's energy crisis. At 2:80 or 6 at 6 o'clock GMT, the DAX futures contract in Germany traded 0.2% higher. CAC 40 futures in France climbed 0.4%, and the FTSE 100 futures contract in the UK rose 0.4%. Wall Street's main indexes posted gains on Thursday, with the blue-chip Dow Jones Industrial Average closing almost 200 points or 0.6% higher. This positive close has helped the tone in Europe Friday, but gains are likely to be tentative ahead of the meeting European Union energy ministers to discuss the 27 nation bloc's response to the energy crisis, including potentially agreeing on the importation of a price cap on gas imported from Russia. Soaring gas prices are threatening to push some of the European countries heavily dependent as winter approaches, potentially shutting down industries and sending the region into recession. A few weeks like this and the European economy will just go into a full stop. Recovering from that is going to be much more complicated than intervening in gas markets today, Belgian Prime Minister Alexander De Croo said today in an interview with Bloomberg News. The risk of that is the industrialization and severe risk of fundamental social unrest. New UK Prime Minister Liz Truss announced plans on Thursday to cap consumer energy bills for 2 years and prop up power companies, a move which could cost Britain about £150 billion or $290 billion. This comes the day after the European Central Bank raised interest rates by an unprecedented 75 basis points on Thursday and pointed towards further increases in the months ahead to tame runaway inflation. Additionally, U.S. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell reiterated the central bank's hawkish stance on Thursday, stating that strong action was needed to combat inflation. The European economic calendar is largely empty Friday, but investors could focus on France and Spain's July industrial production data for clues on how the region's industrial base is coping with soaring energy price. Oil price edged higher Friday, rebounding from an 8-month low, but are set for a second straight weekly decline as aggressive monetary policy tightening and China's COVID-19 curbs weighed on demand. Data released Thursday by the Energy Information Administration showed a large build-up of U.S. crude inventories of 8.8 million barrels last week, more than that reported by the industry body API on Wednesday, creating double about the strength of demand from the world's largest consumer. However, this build is likely to have been exaggerated by the government releasing crude stockpiles from the country's strategic petroleum reserve by 2 ET US crude futures trade 0.2%. Okay, maybe that's all for me. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.